Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS outline colors. And right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS outline colors property with X color value. I don't want this tutorial to get too long. Back to our document. As you can see, we are having this. In our previous tutorial, where we discussed about the CSS outline color property with color name value, right? But right now we are going to be changing this color name to X color. So using the X color, you can check our previous tutorial on CSS SX property. So you can check our CSS X color playlist to be able to understand the main thing about the X color. So I'm going to specify it now. When you will write hash, when you write hash, right here, I want to specify, let's say for instance now, I want to specify green. Yes, I will say 00 ff00. When I save this document now and reload my document, can you see now we are having green? Just imagine. And we can use shorthand also. We can just say 0f0, and this is going to display green for me. Can you see? It's the green. And when I want blue, I can use 00f. When I reload my document, can you see I'm having this? And we can do that also in our other document right here, where we are having the color value, color name right here. We can change this one also to color value. We can use X. So for us to use X, we are going to use a hashtag. When we use hashtag, let's say we want red color. If we want red color, we can just use F00. When we save our document, this is going to change. It's going to change this blue value to red color. Can you see? And if you want to change it to green, you can just use 0f0. So let's reload our document and see what we got. Can you see? So this is how you can manipulate your colors using X value. So if you don't know much more about the X color value, you can check my playlist on this channel. We have playlists on CSS. We have playlists on CSS X color value. So, anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Peace and love.